Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to head over to the Classic Car monthly meet in Napier. We'll check out what cars are over there today, and we'll also have a look at what the oil pressure is doing in this car since I put in the new oil pressure gauge. So that's it, idle with a bit of choke on. It's just over 40 psi, so it'll be good to see what it's doing at sort of higher open road speed. Right, well, we're just about there now, and we've got a nice Morris Minor travelling in front of us. So yeah, about 80 kilometres an hour. We've got, well, actually the car's been running steadily at 45 psi of oil pressure. '38 Chrysler. Flathead 6-cylinder. Triumph Stag. GTS. This is a Ford Galaxy. Ford Fiat. This is the car we followed out. 1962 Morris Minor 1000. I do like Morris Minors. It's all looking in pretty original condition, except for the steering wheel and gear knob. Modified somewhat. Ford feeling. Ford Fairlane's are always the sort of top spec Ford. More luxurious inside. And sort of more options and slightly longer than the Ford Falcon. An XB Fairmont. I used to own one of these. Oh, it's a GS. I wonder if this is original. It's got the scoops in the hood. or whether that's been added. They came out with a 302 Windsor V8. This is an XC. Difference is in the grill. It's got a different grill on it. I do like Vita Beetles. 1978. Yeah. '58 Volkswagen Beetle. This is very cool. I love the patina on this car. That's awesome. And this is a reference to the Griswold family in National Lampoon's Holiday. It's a sale too. Ford LTD, 1979. Quite like the little kiddie seats in the back. No. Ford Fairlane, 1957. Ford Galaxy 500, 1964. '62 Mercury Comet Custom. Another Ford Fairlane. Toyota Corolla. Don't see too many of these around now. They were everywhere back in the day. Even back in the 90s there were still plenty around. But Mark 114 with a V6 in it. It's nice. Is it brilliant? Chrysler Valiant Charger, 1973. This is a nice car. This is a really nice car. Got a 1980 Ford Escort Mark II. Another Mark II. 1979 Ford Escort. Patinaed somewhat. Escorts are still quite highly sought after in New Zealand, and they're just going for ridiculous prices. Sold in Kingswood. Mark I Escort, 1968. These again are worth a ridiculous amount of money if you're looking at buying one. A 1972 Ford Econoline van. Oh, that's a very cool van. Right up my street. Imagine doing a road trip in this. Chevrolet Impala, 1966. Yeah, there's the Superminx. Right, well I think that'll do it for today. We'll head back in the car and head home, I think. Oh guys, the car's running really well. Good oil pressure. It's at higher speeds. Just got to come out to that car meet. I think we'll leave the video here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.